Hi, this video is regarding the assignment shared with me about Munchstack. So I'm going to explain all the basic features of this application that was mentioned to implement in the documentation. So I have deployed this application on Vercel for front end and on Railway for backend. And this is my URL. After going to this URL, our application will open. We have two options, login and register. First we will register a new user. We'll mention his name, let's say Kamal, and then kamal@gmail.com. Password, and then confirm password. We can also toggle to see the password if it is correct or not. And after entering all the details, we can register this user and new user will be created. And as we can see that this is the dashboard of that particular user, and in this dashboard we have all the pending tasks mentioned, all the completed tasks and all the assigned tasks. Whatever task we will create, all the pending tasks will be visible here and we can scroll to see them. Whatever completed tasks we will have, those will be visible here, as well as count of those completed tasks will be visible here, and all the tasks that are assigned to me will be visible here as well as count. And we can go to all the tasks pending completed overdue from here, and we can create new tasks from here as well as from here. Let's say I will create a new task, new task 1, and I'm copying some dummy data for description. Let's say I have given a dummy description, and a due date I will choose on 20. So 20 will be deadline. I have to complete this task before 20 September. This is I have chosen, and priority wise I will choose this as high priority task. And for user, we will select this user, temp user. We will assign this task to this user, temp user, and this task will be visible to the dashboard of that temp user. So after that we will add task and our task will be created. Let's quickly create few random tasks to see the pagination and other stuff. As we can see that right now we don't have any pagination because our pagination limit is 5. On one page we can see only 5 tasks, and right now we have 5 tasks, so we can't see pagination. And I will add the 6th task, new task 8. This is the sixth task, and we will assign this task to some random user too. And now we can see that we have pagination. 6 tasks will be visible on different page. Let's check mark this task to see will it move to completed tab here or not. So I will tick here. It is like removed, that task will be removed from here because that is not pending now, that is completed, so it will go here. And on clicking on anywhere on task, we can see all the details about task. We can change the priority, we can change the status, we can see that whom assigned task, and like Kamal assigned task to random user 2, so we can all see that. And we can also change these tasks, like let's say new task 8, we have changed this. We can change also date from here, so we can edit this task from here. Now uh, you can see that this task is edited, we have changed it. So using that edit button we can edit task. We can also delete task. Let's say we want to delete this new task 6, we can directly delete from here. We will get a prompt, and from prompt confirmation prompt we can click delete task. So now we can see that new task 6 is deleted from here. After that, I have implemented the priority sorting, so we can sort all the elements based on priority. I have implemented the color coding. So for high priority tasks we have red color, and for low priority tasks we have green color, and for medium priority tasks we have orange color. So I will filter the medium priority task. So all the medium priority tasks are filtered here. After that, we don't have any high priority tasks right now, so it will be showing no priority task. And then we have low priority tasks, we will filter it. We have one, so we are getting that. So these are things. We can also change this to high if we want. It is now changed to high, and see that it is changed to high priority task. Overdue task we don't have any, that's why it is not showing. Completed task, we have completed one task, that's why it's showing one. If we change it to completed task, it will be also showing to completed task. So now we will go to dashboard and we will see what is happening there. So right now we have 3 pending tasks here. In task page we have 3 pending tasks. In dashboard it is showing correctly 3 pending tasks. 2 completed tasks it is showing here. We can check details here as well. And we don't have right now any assigned task because this Kamal user haven't been assigned any task by anyone, so that's why it is showing as 0 count. We will check afterward that if some user has been assigned some task, then it will show that number of count here. For this user we don't have because he has not been assigned. So these are the basic features. uh, Now we will see login from another account, and we will check kamal@gmail.com, abc@gmail. Now we will log in from another account here. Let's say tempuser@gmail.com. Now we have logged in to this user. As we can remember that previously from Kamal user, we have assigned one task to a random user. So on random user account, on its dashboard, we can see that one task is assigned to this temp user. So on going to that task, we can we can edit task, we can delete task, we can do anything with this task, because that task is assigned to this random user. From here we can see all the tasks that has been assigned to us. And now we can see that this user has 3 assigned tasks here. It was not loading previously, now it is loading. Since if we click on any task to complete it, it will be that task. Since that task is completed, it will be now this user have 2 assigned tasks, because that third task was completed, so that's why it is gone from here. And now we want to delete this task 5 from here. If I will delete from here, not this task 5, this new chart change task, this new change task was assigned by temp user to itself, so it will be deleted. And after that we can see all pending tasks from here. We can arrange these tasks, and so now we will, and now I will highlight that I have completed all the tasks that was given to me in the PDF that was attached to the email. So I have completed all the task creation. We can create all the tasks from here, and we are listing all the tasks that are all the tasks that will be created will be listed here, here and here as per their like priority or their status. And third thing, that I have implemented the editing of task. After going to task detail page, we can edit the task from here. We can change any information about the task we want to change. And after that we can also delete the task. Any task we want to delete, we can delete from here after clicking on this delete button. And now task status update, we can change the task status by going to the task details page. So we can change also status of the task. We have implemented the basic login, register and logout feature, that is authorization and authentication for like easy access, and for authorized access to this account. And I have implemented the priority management, like based on high priority, medium priority and low priority, we will sort or list the task. And last thing, that I have implemented color scheming uh, to represent the task uh, for readability. Red for high, and orange for medium priority, and green for low priority. So that's it about from my side. I have implemented all the features that was mentioned in email. I have deployed all the like code, and I have shared my GitHub repo link as well as deployed link. So that's it. Thank you for thank you for giving me this opportunity.